here's what my actual hair looks like now. So as you can see, I'm balding from the top and I just have the long sides. So I'm going to be making videos throughout the process to show you how the toupee actually works. All right, stay tuned. Okay guys, so the process is I have to cut off the top of my hair that matches with the base of my toupee. So here's the base of my toupee, and I pretty much, well, my hairstylist, which is also my cousin, she's out there somewhere, but she matched it to the base of my head, so that's gonna go on. She's gonna do some trimming and fixing, but as you can see, you have to cut off the back, the sides, kind of like a little old man, and make it completely bald, so that way the adhesive, and this is the adhesive that I'm using for this, because I like to use clear adhesives, especially because this is a skin cap and it's super thin, or it's a little bit thicker than the thinnest ones, but I like to use clear ones so it doesn't go through, you don't see it when I take it off or do anything like that. But if you can see clearly, it's pretty much just keeping the sides together. Alright, I'm going to proceed to the next step. Alright, so we put some of this adhesive on the actual hair system, so if you can see there, and we put just a little bit to dab up on my scalp, and we're gonna add it onto my head now. Okay, and we have to measure it around the head, make sure the bald spots are showing. How she cuts it up to make it even to my side hair and make it look a little bit natural. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, so the glue is now actually on my head, on the hair piece. All we're gonna do is cut the sides, make it blend, make it even, but as you can see, it is not going anywhere no time soon. And quite frankly, I really like it. We're at the actual haircut process where she's cutting, trimming, making it look a little bit more natural. Alright everyone, and I'm done. It's it. It's on my head. This is my hair. And this is what the end result looks like. This hair ain't going nowhere. It's all mine. Let me know what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you hate it? Comment, share, like, subscribe. I want to give a big shout out to my cousin, Adriana. She is amazing. She styled all of this, made it look natural, put it on my head, added the adhesive, did all of that for me. So I just want to give her a big shout out and say thank you. I love it. Do you guys? Let me know what you think. Bye. So here's an update. My hair is still intact. That glue that I put on is amazing. This skin cap, it's not a lace front, it's a skin cap. It fits so perfectly on my head. So I wanted to talk to you guys a little bit about the wig itself. So I went through LaVivid. They actually pre-cut the entire thing and they styled it for me so that I didn't have to do anything to it besides the tiny adjustments that my hairstylist had to do. So I strongly recommend you guys look them up. They're on Instagram. I'm going to comment the link below. Take a look at them. Order some stuff. I will also insert a link so that you guys can get discounts if you decide to go with the hair. It looks 100% natural and it makes me feel so good. This one is by far the best hair system I've ever had, and I'm honestly not just saying that. Like, I want you guys to truly take a look. This looks like my hair. I've never had anything so close to perfection as I have right now. This is by far my favorite. They are the easiest people to work with. They're amazing, and I'm saying just give them a try. You will not be disappointed, I promise you. Ciao.